Welcome to day 11 of the 14-day Postpartum Strength Challenge. Today we're focusing on upper body strength and posture, helping you feel stronger in your back, shoulders, and arms while also opening up the chest. This is especially helpful if you've been doing a lot of feeding or holding your baby. You will need 1 to 2 sets of dumbbells for today. I'll be using 5 and 10-pound weights. We'll move through a warm-up, 10 exercises, and end with a stretch. Let's get started. Let's get started with our warm-up, starting with arm swings. Swing those arms freely across your chest. Let's begin. Next, we'll do a goal post rotation with our arms. So starting with our arms in a goal post position, just bring those arms down and up, keeping your elbows level with your shoulders. Let's begin. Next, we'll do a reach and pull. So bring those arms overhead and then squeeze those shoulder blades together as you bring your arms down. Let's begin. Okay, for the last part of our warm-up, we'll get into a cat-cow. So let's get on our hands and knees. Arch your back, lift your head, and then tuck your pelvis under and round your back. Let's begin. Okay, good work. I hope you're feeling warmed up. We'll get started with our strength circuit. We'll start with a staggered stance dumbbell row. So go ahead and grab one of your dumbbells. I'll first show you here. Kick one foot back. The other hand can rest on your knee, and then row that arm back while keeping your back straight and your core braced. Let's begin. We'll switch halfway through the timer. Squeeze that shoulder blade as you row that arm back. Be mindful to not shrug that shoulder. Switch sides and keep going. Come on up. Next, we will be doing an alternating crossbody curl. So let's grab the other dumbbell for this one. Start with your palms facing down and then curl one arm up across your body and back down. And then curl the other arm across your body and back down. Let's begin. We're just hitting our bicep at a different angle here. Nice work. Next, we'll be getting into a dumbbell shoulder press. So keep a hold of those two weights. Bring them up to tabletop position. Keep the ribs stacked over your hips as you push those weights overhead and back down. Let's begin. Lower those down. Next, we'll be doing a reverse fly to hold. So go ahead and grab your lighter weights here for this one. I'll demonstrate. Hinge your hips back, keep a flat back, and then as you bring those arms up, we'll hold this position for 2 seconds and then lower down with control. Remember to not shrug your shoulders and squeeze your shoulder blades at the top. Let's begin. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, good work. Next we'll be doing a Zotman curl. So I'll demonstrate here. I want to try to go for my 10 pounds with this one. Starting with the palms facing up, you'll curl up, keeping your elbows close to your sides, and then rotate those dumbbells so your palms are facing forward and lower those down with control. Let's begin. Okay, good work. Let's set down one of those weights. We'll get into an overhead tricep extension with one dumbbell. Take that one dumbbell, hold with both hands over your head. Keep your elbows facing forward and close to your head as you lower that weight down past your head and come back up. Let's begin. Try not to let those elbows flare out. Keep them pointing forward. Keep those ribs stacked over your hips without much flare. And of course, be careful to not hit yourself in the head with a dumbbell. Good job. You can bring that weight down. We can get down onto our knees here for our next exercise without any dumbbells. We'll be doing a modified push-up on our knees. So keeping our knees on the ground, bring your hands out under your shoulders. Keep your back long and straight as you lower your body down and push back up. Let's begin. you need a moment to rest and then get back into it, do that. Okay, come on up. We'll be grabbing our light set of dumbbells here for W raises, and I'll show you that first. You're gonna bend over slightly, bring your palms facing up, and keeping it 90 degrees in your elbows, you're going to rotate those arms up and down to starting position with palms facing up. Let's begin. Squeeze those shoulder blades at the top. Okay, stand up. Next, we'll be doing an alternating isolation hold front raise. So I'll demonstrate here first. I'll be keeping hold of these weights. Keep our arms up here and then lower down one arm and then the other, keeping your arms at shoulder height. And remember to not shrug your shoulders. Let's begin. Remember, you want to lower down with control. Breathe through it. Lower down. Okay, for the last exercise of our circuit, we'll be doing a bicep curl to shoulder press. Start with your palms facing forward. Curl those arms, keeping your elbows close to your sides, and then rotate those arms as you push those weights overhead, and then come back to starting position. Let's begin. Good work. Let's set down those weights. You've made it to our cool down stretch. Let's start with a chest opener. Clasp those hands behind you. Pull your arms out. Let's begin. Feel that stretch in your chest and pull your arms without arching your low back. Okay, next we'll get into cross body shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across your body. Let's begin. Switch arms. Okay, we'll end with an upper trap stretch. Bring your head down to one side, leading your ear towards your shoulder. Let's begin. We're feeling a nice stretch up in here. Switch sides, ear to shoulder. Come out of that stretch. Okay, good job finishing day 11. You're building strength and improving posture at the same time. Tomorrow on day 12, we're combining core and glutes for a really effective and supportive workout. I'll see you there.